Hi guys, welcome to new video. In today's video, we will teach you how to defend yourself if someone puts a knife on your neck. And in this video, we will teach you new technique of knife attack, which will be very effective for you and very beneficial for you. So let's start the video. If someone comes from behind and hold a knife to your neck like this position and ask you for your wallet or anything else, then you have to do the best technique that we are going to teach you. This is very dangerous condition. Here you have to know some important things, otherwise your neck can be cut. Number 1, don't bend your neck forward. And if you only hit him with your arm, the knife can also cut your neck. Now here we will teach you the best techniques. Step number 1, you will hold his wrist with your right hand tightly and push your neck back in this way. Now quickly you have to hit the elbow shot on his ear side. These 3 steps you will do at once at the same time, quickly, like this way. Once more, like this way. Now step number 2, you will round yourself under his arm in this position, as you can see in the video. Now you will do kick on his stomach, the second kick on his face. Now you will lock his arm in this position. Watch very carefully. Now he is fully under of your control. Guys, now I will show you this technique from the side angle. When he comes, step number 1, hit. Step number 2, round. Then hit. Now lock his arm in this position. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you want to learn more interesting self-defense technique, then subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends. And don't forget, press the bell icon. And I am very thanks to those people who supporting our channel and comment on our videos. So please support us. Thank you.